New topic, binomial theorem. First, binomial theorem introduction. Number of times x plus y whole power 1, x plus y whole power 1, that is x plus y. How many times in the x plus y whole power n? 2 times in the expansion. Now x plus y whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now 3 times in the expansion. X plus y whole cube, x cube, 3x square y, 3x y square plus y cube. Now 4 times in the expansion. Now using Pascal's triangle, Pascal's triangle 1 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, last one is 1. Now 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, again 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4, and again 1 plus 4 5, 4 plus 6 10, 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 1 5 1, and so on. Here x plus y whole power n, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1. X plus y whole square, coefficient of x square 1, coefficient of xy is 2, next coefficient of y square is 1. Now x plus y whole cube, coefficient, first coefficient is 1, next coefficient 3, next coefficient 3, next coefficient 1. Now x plus y whole power 4. Now first quotient is 1, coefficient of first one is 1, so x power 4 plus 4 x cube into y plus next 6 x square y square plus next 4 x y cube, next coefficient is 1, coefficient of y power 4 is 1, y power 4. Now how many times in the series? 1 2 3 4 5 times in the expansion. Now x plus y whole power 5. Now coefficient is 1, x power 5 plus 5 into x power 4 y plus 10 into x cube y square plus again 10 into x square y cube plus 5 into x y power 4 plus 1 is the coefficient, 1 into y power 5. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 6 times in the expansion, 6 times in the expansion. So finally x plus y whole power and so on. X plus y whole power n. X plus y whole power 1, number of times 2 times in the expansion. X plus y whole square 3 times in the expansion. X plus y whole power 3 4 times in the expansion. X plus y whole power 4 5 times in the expansion. X plus y whole power 5 6 times in the expansion. X plus y whole power n, how many times in the expansion? N plus 1 times in the expansion. number of terms of expansion x plus y whole power n is n plus 1. Number of terms of x plus y whole power n plus x minus y whole power n is where n is even, number of terms of this expansion is n by 2 plus 1. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2. Number of terms of expansion x plus y whole power n minus x minus y whole power n is, here n is even, n by 2, n is odd, n by 2, n plus 1 by 2. Can you observe in both the cases where n is odd, when n is odd, number of terms of these two expansions, what's the formula? N plus 1 by 2. When n is even, number of terms of this expansion n by 2 plus 1. When n is even, number of terms of this expression is just n by 2. Here n by 2 plus 1. Number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c up to r times whole power n. N plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. One example. X plus y plus z plus w whole power 7. What is the number of terms in the expansion? Here n is 7. 7 plus r. R is the number of terms. How many terms here? 4 minus 1 by r minus 1. 4 minus 1. This will be 7 plus 4. 11 minus 1. 10c. 3. NCR. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. 10c 3. 10 factorial by 10 minus 3. 7 factorial into 3 factorial. 10 factorial by 7 factorial. 10 into 9 into 8. Remaining 7 factorial. 7 factorial cancelled out. 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 fours are 3 ones are 3 threes are 12 times are 120 times. Now number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z plus w whole power 7 is 120 times. Now number of terms of x plus y whole power 4, how many times? N plus 1 times. So 4 plus 1, 5. Now number of terms of 1 plus 2x plus x square is not a linear. Linear aitene manaki formula andi n plus r minus c by r minus 1. It is not a linear, it is a quadratic. This formula not applicable. Only linear aitene manaki apply chestam. So it is a quadratic. Can you observe it is a perfect square, x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square whole power 9. This will be x plus 1 whole power 18. So x plus y whole power n, number of terms of expansion x plus y whole power n is n plus 1. So how many times? 18 plus 1, 19 times. Number of terms in the expansion is 19 times. Next, x plus y plus z whole power 10. Number of terms of this expansion n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. 10 plus number of terms 3 minus 1 c r minus 1 3 minus 1. This will be 12c 2 12c 2 12c to 12 into 11 by 2 factorial 2 6. So 66. Number of terms in the expansion is 66. Next, a plus b plus c plus d whole power 4. Now 4 plus terms are 4 minus 1 c 4 minus 1 8 minus 1 7 c 3. X plus number of terms in the expansion of x plus y whole power 4 plus x minus y whole power 4. The number of terms of in the expansion of x plus y whole power 4 n plus x minus y whole power n is, here n is even or odd? Here n is even. If n is even, n by 2 plus 1 formula, n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1. Here n is 4, 4 by 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. How many times in the expansion? 3 times. This one. The expansion of x plus y whole power n, nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into y, nc2 x power n minus 2 y power 2 and so on, ncr x power n minus r y power r and so on, ncn minus 1 x power n minus n plus 1 x power n y power n minus 1, ncn x power n minus 1 x power 0 is 1 into y power n. Now the number of terms in the expansion of x plus y whole power n is n plus 1. So number of terms on right hand side, how many times? N plus 1 terms. Sum of exponents of each term on right hand side n. Sum of exponents of each term, this term. So power of x is n. Sum of exponents of each term. So sum of these two terms, power of x, n minus 1, power of y, 1, n plus n minus 1 plus 1, that is n. Now x power n minus 2, y power 2, power of exponents of each term on right hand side is n, that is 1 point. Power of x n minus 1, power of y 2, sum of these two exponents, x minus n minus 2 plus 2, which is n. Now x power n minus r, y power r, n minus r plus r, n. Now x power n, y power n minus 1 plus 1, n. So power of exponent is n. Sum of exponents of each term on right hand side is n. Power n, power n, power n. Sum of these two n, sum of these two n, sum of these two n. Coefficients equidistant from the beginning and from the end will be equal. Coefficients from the beginning and from the end equal. From the beginning nc0 equals, from the end ncn. Coefficients equidistant from the beginning and from the end will be equal. Now coefficient here nc1 equals, here nc1 is the second from left. What is second from right? nc n minus 1. Next nc2 equals nc n minus 2. nc3 equals nc n minus 3 and so on. Okay. Coefficients equidistant from the beginning and from the end will be equal. nc0 equal to ncn, nc1 equal to ncn minus 1, nc2 equal to ncn minus 2 and so on. X plus y whole power n is nc0 x power n y power 0. nc1 x power n minus 1 y power 1, nc2 x power n minus 2 y power 2 and so on, ncn x power 0 y power n. Now y plus x whole power n, nc0 y power n plus nc1 y power n minus 1 x power 1, nc2 y power n minus 2 x power 2 and so on, ncr y power n minus r x power r and so on, ncn minus 1 y power 1 x power n minus 1, ncn x power n. So these two are same, these two are equal. X plus y whole power n or y plus x whole power n. Both are same. nc0 equal to ncn, nc1 equal to ncn minus 1, nc2 equal to ncn minus 2. Coefficients are equal distance from the beginning and from the end will be equal. For example, x plus 3y whole power 4 whole power 8. First 8c0 x power 8 plus 8c1 x power 7. So 3 by whole power 1. 8c2 x power 6 3y whole power 2. 8c3 x power 5 3y whole power 3 and so on. Now 8c0 3y whole power 8 plus 8c1 3y whole power 7 x power 1. 8c2 3y whole power 6. Now x power 2. 8c3 3y whole power 5 x power 3 and so on. So x plus 3y whole power 8, expansion of x plus 3y whole power 8. 8c0 x power 8 plus 8c1 x power 7 into 3y and so on. Or 8c0 3y whole power 8, 8c1 3y whole power 7 into x, 8c2 3y whole power 6 into x square and so on. So both are same. Both are same. Sum of coefficients of each term on right hand side equal to n. n is 8. What is the coefficient here? What is the power of x? 8. Here power of x is 7, power of y is 1. 1 plus 8, 7. Power of x is 6, y square. 2 plus 6, 8. 5 plus 3, 8 and so on. Here also power is 8. So here 7, y power 7, x power 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. The expansion of x plus y whole power n, nc0 x power n, nc1 x power n minus 1, nc2 x power n minus 2 y square, nc3 x power n minus 3 y cube and so on. NCN y power n. Now it is sigma r equal to summation r equal to 0 to n NCR x power n minus r into y power r. X plus y whole power n equal to r equal to 0 to n NCR x power n minus r into y power r equal to summation r equal to 0 to n NCR y power r x power y power n minus r x power r. Next one. X minus y whole power n nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1. Here y is minus y whole power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 minus y whole power 2 nc3 x power n minus 3 minus y whole power 3 and so on plus nc4 x power n minus 4 minus y whole power 4 and so on. Ncn minus y whole power n. Now nc0 x power n minus y whole power 1 minus of nc1 x power n minus 1 into y. Now minus y whole square plus y square plus nc2 x power n minus 2 y square is odd term, 3 is odd term, so minus nc3 x power n minus 3 y cube plus nc4 x power n minus 4 y power 4 and so on plus minus 1 whole power n ncn y power n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power n nc or x power n minus r y power r. X minus y whole power n. Small example, 2x minus 3y whole power 7. What expansion of this one? 7c 0 2x whole power 7 minus 7c1 2x whole power 6 into 3y plus 7c2 2x whole power 5 3y whole square minus 7c3 2x whole power 4 3y whole power 3 plus 7c4 2x whole power 3 3y whole power 4 plus 7c5 2x whole power 2 3y whole odd term minus 3y whole power 5 plus 7c6 2x into 3y whole power 6 minus 7c7 3y whole power 7. It is the expansion of 2x minus 3y whole power 7. X plus y whole power n, expansion of x plus y whole power n, nc0 x power n, nc1 x power n minus 1 y, nc2 x power n minus 2 into y square, nc3 x power n minus 3 into y cube, and so on, nc n by power n. Sum of exponents on each term on the right hand side is n. Exponent is n. Sum of exponent on each term. Sum of exponent of each term n plus 1 plus 1, that is n. X power n minus 2 y power 2 n minus 2 plus 2, which is n. This is the first term. T1, first term. This one is the second term. T2. This one is the third term. T3, fourth term, and so on. This one is n plus 1th term. T n plus 1. The number of terms in the expansion is expansion x plus y whole power n is n plus 1 times. N plus 1 times in this expansion. Now last one is n plus 1th term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, up to n plus 1th terms. Now first term is nc0, second term is nc1, third term is nc2, n plus 1th term is ncn. ncn. Now what is the rth term? First term is nc0, second term is nc1, third term is nc2. Here rth term is nc r minus 1. Here n plus 1th term is ncn. So rth term is nc r minus 1 x power n minus r plus 1 y power r minus 1. Rth term is nc r minus 1 x power n minus r plus 1 y power r minus 1. Then r always less than equal n plus 1. R always less than equal n plus 1. What is r plus 1th term? First term is NC0, second term NC1, third term NC2, nth term is n plus 1th term is NCn, rth term is NC r minus 1, r plus 1th term is NC r x power n minus r y power r. This is the rth term of this expansion. Find fifth term of expansion 5x plus 3y whole power 9. Fifth term of the expansion. First term of the expansion r equal to 0, second term of the expansion r equal to 1, third term of the expansion r equal to 2, n plus 1th term of the expansion r equal to n, rth term of the expansion r minus 1, here r plus 1th term of the expansion is r, here fifth term of the expansion is NC4, 5x whole power n minus 4, 3y, so here n is the number of terms, 9c4, 5x whole power 9 minus 4, 5, 3y whole power 4. Find seventh term of expansion x minus 4y whole power 11. Seventh term of the expansion, now NC6, here n equal to 11, 11c6 x power 11 minus 6, 5 minus 4y whole power 6. Find ninth term of expansion 2x plus 1 by x whole power 12. Ninth term is NC8, 12C8, 2x whole power 4, 1 by x whole power 8. To find a middle term, when n is even, x plus y whole power 11, x plus y whole power 11. The number of terms in the expansion 12. So n is even, okay. 10. X plus y whole power 10. The number of terms in the expansion 11. 11 times in the given expansion. 11 times first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times in the expansion. Find the middle one. First 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last 5. Here middle term is 6th term. Middle term is 6th term. How to get 6 here? Here n equals 10. Now 10 by 2 plus 1. 10 by 2 plus 1 is 6. 2 5s are 10. 5 plus 1 6. X plus y whole power 22. What is the middle term of this expansion? When n is even, now middle term is t n by 2 plus 1. T n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1. Here n is 10. 10 by 2 plus 1 is 6 term. Here n is 22. T t 22 by 2 plus 1. What is the middle term? T 11 plus 1, 12. 12th term is the middle term. Now x plus y whole power 18. What is the middle term of this expansion? T 18 by 2 plus 1. T 10th term. 2 9s are 18. 10th term of this expansion is the middle term. So when n is even, what is the middle term? T by n plus 2 plus 1. When n is odd, x plus y whole power 6. X plus y whole power 6. The number of times in the expansion is 7. 7 times in the expansion. First, second, third, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. So n is order, sorry. So power is suppose 7. How many times in the expansion? 8 times in the expansion. T 8. So when n is even compared to in next case when n is odd, n equal to 7 odd number. X plus y, the number of times in the expansion of x plus y whole power 7 is 8 times. 8 times in the expansion. First term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and 8. 8 times in the expansion. First 3, last 3. Here middle terms are 2 times. 2 times are middle terms. This one is how to get 4 and 5. Here n is 7. Now 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 which is 4. This one is 7 plus 3 by 2. How to get 5? 7 plus number of 10. Power of x plus y is n equal to 7. n plus 3 by 2. 7 plus 3 by 2 equals to 10. Now here, what are the middle terms of the given expansion when n is odd? T n plus 1 by 2 one term. Other term is t n plus 3 by 2. When n is even with only one middle term, what is the middle term? T n by 2 plus 1. When n is odd, middle terms are 2. First one is t n plus 1 by 2, t n plus 3 by 2. 7 where n is, here n is 7. 7 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2 which is 4. Now n equal to 7. 7 plus 3 by 2, 10 by 2 which is 5. Fourth and fifth terms. An example. X plus y whole power 17. What are the middle terms in this expansion? What are the middle terms in the expansion? T n plus 1 by 2, t n plus 3 by 2 when n is odd. When n is even, what is the middle term? T n by 2 plus 1. Here n is odd, 2 middle terms are available. What are the 2 middle terms? T 17 plus 1 by 2. 17 plus 1 by 2. Another one is 17 plus 3 by 2. This one is 18 by 2 9th term, 20 by 2 10th. 9th and 10th are middle terms of this expansion. Find the middle term of the expansions. First one is here n is even. Middle term is t n by 2 plus 1. T n by 2, 4 by 2 plus 1. Now it is third term of the expansion. Third term of the expansion is the middle term. What is third term? NC2, here n is 4, 4C2, 2x whole power 2, 3y whole power 2. This is the middle term of this expansion. Here n equals 10. When n is even, what is middle term? T n by 2 plus 1. T 10 by 2 plus 1. Now, which one is the sixth term of the expansion is the middle term? Sixth term is the middle term of the expansion. Now and is it 10c 5, 10c 5, 2x whole power 5, 3 by x whole power 5. Next, here n is odd, middle terms are 2. Here tn plus 1 by 2, tn plus 3 by 2 are the middle terms of the expansion. Now t n plus 1 by 2, 7 plus 1 by 2, t 7 plus 3 by 2. Here 7 plus 3 by 2. Now t 8 by 2, t fourth term and fifth term are the expansion. Fourth and fifth are middle terms of the given expression. Now fifth term. Now nc3, n is 7, 7c3, 2x whole power 4, 3y whole power 3. Now 7c4, 2x whole power 3. Now 3y whole power 4. These two are middle terms of the given expression 2x plus 3y whole power 7. Now n is odd. Here tn plus 1 by 2 and tn plus 3 by 2 are the middle terms of the given expansion. Now t 9 plus 1 by 2, t 9 plus 3 by 2. Now t 10 by 2, fifth term, 12 by 2, sixth. Fifth and sixth terms are middle terms of the given expansion. Fifth term means nc4, here are equal to 4, nc4, 9c4, 7x whole power 5 minus 1 by 2y whole power 4. Sixth term of given expansion. Now r is a 5, nc5, here n is a 9, 9c5, 7x whole power 4 minus 1 by 2y whole power 5. These two are middle terms of the given expansion. The expansion of x plus y whole power n, nc0 x power n, nc1 x power n minus 1 y, nc2 x power n minus 2 y square, nc3 x power n minus 3 y cube, nc4 x power n minus 4 y power 4, and so on. X minus 5 whole power n expansion, nc0 x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 into y, nc2 x power n minus 2 y square, nc minus nc3 x power n minus 3 y cube plus nc4 x power n minus 4 y power 4, and so on. Let us see equation 1 and equation 2. Adding these two equations, 1 plus 2, x plus y whole power n plus x minus y whole power n equal to sum of these two equations, nc0 2 times, nc1 minus nc1 cancelled out, nc2 plus nc2 2 nc3 cancelled, nc4 2 times of nc4, 2 times of nc0 x power n, this dot cancelled, nc2 x power n minus 2 y square plus nc4 x power n minus 4 y power 4, and so on. Subtracting 1 minus 2. First one is adding 1 plus 2. Second one is subtracting 1 minus 2. NC0 minus NC0 cancelled. NC1 minus of minus NC1, 2 NC1. NC2 minus NC2 cancelled. NC3 minus of NC3. So 2 times of NC3. Now x plus y whole power n minus of x minus y whole power n equals 2 times of NC1 x power n minus 1 by plus NC3 x power n minus 3 y cube plus NC5 x power n minus 5 y power 5 and so on. Can we observe the sum of these two only even terms 0, 2, 4. Actually it is the first term, it is the third term, it is the fifth term. Terms are odd terms. The terms are even terms. Second term, third term, second term, fourth term, sixth term and so on. 1 plus x whole power n NC0 plus NC1x NC2x square NC3 x cube NC4 x power 4 and so on NCn x power n. Summation r equal to 0 to n NCr x power r 1 plus x whole power n 1 minus x whole power n NC0 minus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x square minus NC3 into x cube plus NC4 into x power 4 minus and so on NCn minus x whole power n. Now 1 minus x whole power n equal to summation r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power n NCr x power r. The value of root 5 plus 1 whole power 5 minus root 5 minus 1 whole power 5. X plus y whole power n plus x minus y whole power n equals to 2 times of NC0 x power n y power 0 plus NC2 x power n minus 2 y power 2 and so on. Next term is NC4 x power n minus 4 y power 4 and so on. X plus y whole power n minus x minus y whole power n equals 2 times of NC1 x power n minus 1 y power 1 plus NC3 x power n minus 3 y power 3 NC5 x power n minus 5 y power 5 and so on. This one like x plus y whole power n minus x minus y whole power n 2 times of NC1 here n is 5C1 root 5 whole power 4 1 power any value is 1 plus 5C3 root 5 whole power 2 1 power any value is same plus 5C5 root 5 whole power 0. Now 2 times of 5C1 is 5 root 5 whole power 4 so 5 square 25 5C3 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial 10 root 5 whole square 5 10 into 5 50 plus 5C5 is 1 root 5 any number power 0 is 1 so finally 2 times of 5 cube 125 50 plus 1 2 times of 6 7 170 2 times of 176 55 cube 25, okay, right. 176, 12, 1, 7, 14, 5, 1, 252. This one is 352, not 252, 352. 2 into 176 is 352. This one, x plus y, like this one, x plus y whole power n, x minus y whole power n. X plus y whole power n plus x minus y whole power n, 2 times of nc0 plus nc2 plus nc4. 2 times of nc0 x power n plus nc2 x power n minus 2, n is 6, 6 is 0, so x power 6, 62 x power 4 square root of x square minus 1 whole power 2 plus 6e 4 x square square root of x square minus 1 whole power 4. Next 6 is 6 plus 6 is 6 x power 0 square root of x square plus 1 whole power 6. Now 2 times of 6 is 0 is 1 x power 6. 6 is 2, 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial, 6 into 5 by 2, 15. 15 into x power 4, square root square cancelled, x square minus 1. 64, 62 equals 64, NCR equals NCN minus R, NCR equal to NCN minus R. 62 equal to 64, 62 equal to 15, 15 into x square. Now square root of x square minus 1, x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 4. This one is x square minus 1 whole square. 6 is 1 square root of x square plus 1 whole power 6. 2 ones are 2 3s. It means x square plus 1 whole cube. Two times of x power 6 plus 15 into x power 6 minus 15. Now it is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 15x square into x power 4, 15x power 6, 15x square minus 30x power 4. A plus b whole cube, a cube, x power 6, b cube 1, 3a square b plus 3b square a, 3x square. 2 times of x power 6, 16, 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 32 x power 6. Next x power 6 is over, next x power 4 minus 30 plus 3 minus 27 x power 4. Next squares, 15x square 3x square plus 18x square, constant terms, minus 15 plus 1 minus 14. This is the final answer. We need to check x power 4 once again. X power 4. Okay, sorry, this one. 15x power 4 into x square, 15x power 6, 15x power 4 into 1, 15 into x power 4. X power 6, x square, x power 4, cube. Okay, alright. Now constant term is plus 1. Minus 15x power 4, 45. 45 plus 3. minus 45 plus 3 42. Okay, this is the final answer. We need to check is minus 1 or plus 1. It is x plus 1. Okay, this one is x square minus 1. Sorry, x square minus 1. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus 3. So this one is a 48x power 4. 2 times of 32x power 6 minus 48x power 4 plus 8x square minus 1. Just ఇక్కడ wrong వేసామండి. Actually x square minus 1 by mistake x square plus 1 వేసాను. So problem చిన్న mistake. So this is the simplified. Next problem, simplify 19c1 3 power 5 7 power 35 plus 19c2 3 power 6 7 power 33 19c3 3 power 7 7 power 31 up to. First, how to calculate rth term of the series? For example, 3 7 11 15 19 23 and so on. Your common difference is plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Common difference is plus 4. Now common difference multiplied by r, 4r. r equals 1. r value 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి. సో r ఈక్వల్ 1 స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, r ప్లస్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 4 into 1 4. ఫస్ట్ టైం 3 నీడెడ్, ఫస్ట్ టైం 3 కావాలి. సో r ఈక్వల్ 1 4 4 minus how much is 3 1 4r minus 1 is the rth term of this series. r equal to 8 minus 1 7, r equal to 3 12 minus 1 11. అదే 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి మనకి. r equal to 0, summation r equal to 0, your summation r equal to 1 2. r equal to 0 నుంచి మనకి స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి. 4r వాల్యూ r equal to 0, సో 4 into 0 0. మనకి ఏం రిక్వైర్డ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం 3 కావాలి. సో 0 plus 3 0 plus 3 is the first term 3. సో r equal to 0 4r plus 3 is the first term. r equal to 1 4 plus 3 7, r equal to 4 2 is 8 8 plus 3 11. ఇలా మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి rth term. One more, 8 11 14 17 20 23 26 and so on. Here common difference is plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and so on. Common difference is 3. Common difference multiplied by r 3r. r equals 1 1 is started in the summation r equal to 1 to some number. r equal to 1 is started in the r plus 1 substitute చేస్తే 3 into 1 3 and requirement ఎంత మన ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ 5 8 కావాలి. సో 3 into 1 3 3 plus how much is 8 5 3 plus 5 is 8. r equal to 6 plus 5 11, r equal to 3 9 plus 5 14. అదే మన సమ్మేషన్ r equal to 0 ని స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి. r equal to 0 అయితే ఒక ఆత్ టైం ఏమవుతుందండి, r equal to 0 3 into 0 0 0 plus 8 0 plus 8. r equal to 0 first term is 8, r equal to 1 3 plus 8, r equal to 6 plus 8 and so on. One more example, 118 116 114 112 110 and so on. Their common difference is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 and so on. Now minus 2 multiplied by r minus 2r. r equal to 1 1 is started in the summation. So r equal to 1 substitute చేస్తే minus 2 into 1 minus 2. మన ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏం కావాలి, ప్లస్ 118 ప్లస్ 118 అంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే ప్లస్ 120 ప్లస్ 120 మైనస్ 2 118. అదే సమ్మేషన్ 0 జీరో నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది అనుకోండి, ఆర్ వాల్యూ జీరో వేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి, 2 ఇంటూ జీరో 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 ప్లస్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈజ్ 180. ఇలా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఆఫ్ స్టెప్. దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ summation r equals 1 1 2 3 up to 19, r equal to 1 to 19. Now 19c r, 19c r equal to 1, 19c 1, r equal to 19c 2, r equal to 3, 19c 3. Now 3 power 5, power of 5, so power of 3, 5 6 7 and so on. Common difference is plus 1 plus 1. So 1 into r, r. 1 into r is r. Common difference r తో మల్టిపుల్ చేయాలి. 1 into r, r. మనకి r అనేది ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి, 1. r ఈక్వల్ టు 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే r ప్లస్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 1 ప్లస్ హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ 5. ఫస్ట్ టైం 5 రావాలి కదా. r కి 1 కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 5 వస్తుంది, 4. r plus 4 is the rth term of this sequence. r plus 4. Next, power of 7. Power of 7 sequence is 35, 33, 31 and so on. Here common difference is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and so on. Here minus 2 common difference multiplied by r, minus 2r. r equal to 1 or r equal to 0. Start with r equal to 1. r equal to 1. r values 1 substitute చేస్తే minus 2 వస్తుంది. మనకి ఫస్ట్ టైం 35 రావాలి. 35 లో వస్తుందండి. Plus 37 minus 2 plus 37 is 35. It is the half term of the series. 7 power minus 2r plus 37. Bring outside constant. So 3 power 4 is a constant. 7 power 37 is a constant. Summation r equal to 1 to 19. 19cr 3 power r into 7 power minus 2r. Now 3 power 4 into 7 power 37. Summation r equal to 1 to 19. 19cr. This one is 3 into 7 power minus 2 whole power r, whole power r. 3 power r and 7 power minus 2r. 1 plus x whole power n. Summation r equal to 0 to n. ncr x power r. 1 minus x whole power n. Summation r equal to 0 to n. Minus 1 whole power n ncr x power r. This one is NCR x power r, NCR x power r. Summation r equal to 1 to 19. So summation r equal to 1 to 19. This formula for r equal to 0 to n. 3 power 4, 7 power 37. Summation r equal to 1 to 19. 19cr into 3 into 7 power minus 2 whole power r minus. Subtract first term. 19c 0. 3 into 7 power minus 2 whole power 0. r equal to 0 to 19. So 0 to 1 to 19 ఉంటే this function 0 to 19 తీసుకుంటాం కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏమొస్తుంది, 19c 0. 3 into 7 power minus 2 whole power r whole power 0 వస్తుంది. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ మనకి రిపీట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి, మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి, కౌంటర్ బ్యాలెన్స్. Now 3 power 4, 7 power 37. This formula summation r equal to 0 to n. NCR x power r. This one is 1 plus x. Here x is 3 into 7 power minus 2 whole power r. Here r is 19. Here value of r is 19. Minus 19 is 0 is 1. Any number power 0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. So finally 3 power 4, 7 power 37 is 7 power 37 1 plus 3 by 7 square, 7 square 49, whole power 19 minus 1. Finally, this will be 3 power 4, 7 power 34, 49, taking LCM 49, 49 plus 3, 52, power 19 minus 1. This is the final answer. Next problem. The value of 1 by 81 power n minus 10 by 81 power n 2n c1 10 square by 81 power n 2n c2 minus 10 power 3 by 81 power n 2n c3 plus and so on 10 power 2n by 81 power n is. So can you observe 1 by 81 power n is the common in all the terms. 1 by 80 power n is common in all the terms. So bring outside 1 by 81 power n. 1 minus 2nc1 10. Now 2nc2 10 square. 2nc3 10 power 3 and so on. Last term is 2nc 2n 10 power 2n. 2nc 2n is 1. So 1 into this value is the same. Can you observe this one is 1 minus the expansion of 1 minus x whole power n. nc0 minus nc1 x plus nc2 x square minus nc3 x power 3 plus nc4 x power 4 minus and so on. So nc0 is 1, 1 minus 2nc1 x is 10, 2nc2 x square, that is 10 square and so on. 1 by 81 power n, this expansion is 1 minus x, here x is 10. 1 minus x whole power n is 2n. This will be 1 by 81 is a perfect square, 9 square, 9 power 2 into n, 2n, 9 power 2n. This one is a minus 9 whole power 2n. 2n is the even value. So minus 1 whole power 2n is plus 1. 9 power 2n by 9 power 2n equals 1. This one, find the coefficient of x power 18 in the expansion of 3x square plus 4x cube whole power 8. Now 3x square plus 4x cube whole power 8. First we need to calculate r plus 1th term. What's r plus 1th term? NCR. Here actually NCR x power n minus r y power r. This one is the rth term of the expansion. Here rth term tr plus 1 equals here n is 8. 8c or x power, here x is 3x square. Now 3x square whole power n minus r, 8 minus r, y is 4x cube. 4x cube whole power r is only r. Now 8c or 3 power 8 minus r. Now x square 2 is 16 minus 2r. Now 4 power r into x power 3r. Now 8c or 3 power 8 minus r into 4 power r. Base are equal, power should be added. 16 minus 3 minus 2r plus 3r plus r. 16 plus r. Question is the coefficient of x power 18. We required power of x 18. It means this base value be 18. 16 plus r equals 18. Now r will be 2. Substitute. Now t r plus r is 2. 2 plus 1. It is the third term. Third term of this expansion. Third term of this expansion is t3. T 2 plus 1. Now 8c 2 3 power 8 minus 2 6 into 4 power r is 2. Now x power 16 plus 2 is 18. The coefficient of x power 18 is 8c2 3 power 6 4 power 2. For computational purpose, just memorize this one. A into x power p plus 1 by b into x power q whole power n. We need to calculate r value. How to calculate r value? N into p minus m. Here m is the power of x. The power of x is the coefficient of x power m in the expansion. So np minus m by p plus q. This is the formula, shortcut formula calculated for r. r ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చేస్తే ఈజీ అయిపోతుందండి. మీకు టైం ఉంటే అలా చేసుకుంటే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో మనకి ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో మిడ్సెట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఎగ్జామ్కి టైం తక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఫార్ములా మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే బెటర్ వన్, లేదంటే జనరల్ ప్రొసీజర్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో దిస్ వన్ 3x square plus you required ax power p plus 1 by bx power q. So 1 by this one is 4 power minus 1 x power minus 3. So 4 power minus 1 x power minus 3 whole power 8. We need to calculate r equals np. N is 8, p is 2. 8 into 2 16 minus m. Here m is 18 by p plus q. P is 2, q is minus 3. Now minus 2 by minus 1. Now r equals 2. Now we need to find out t 2 plus 1. R equal to means which term? This one, third term of this expansion, t3. Third term of this expansion is 2t. T plus 2 plus 1. T r plus 1. Here 8c2 3x square whole power 8 minus 2 6. Now 4x cube whole power 2. Now 8c2 3 power 6 x power 12 4 power 2 x power 6. This will be 8c2 3 power 6 into 4 power 2 x power 18. The coefficient of x power 18 is 8c2 3 power 6 4 power 2. Okay, just remember this formula. Next one, find the coefficient of x power minus 4 in the expansion of 2x square plus 3 by x square whole power 8. First you need to calculate r plus 1th term. 8cr 2x square whole power 8 minus r 3 by x square whole power r. 8cr 2 power 8 minus r x power 16 minus 2r. Now 3 power r x power minus 2r. 8cr 2 power 8 minus r into 3 power r. Base or equal power should be added. X power 16. X power 16 minus 2r minus 4r. Here question is the coefficient of x power minus 4 power of x is minus 4 required. So power of x required minus 4. It means 16 minus 4 are equal to minus 4. Now 4 are equal to 20, r will be 5. Are equal to 5. Now t 5 plus 1, which is sixth term of this expansion. Which term of this expansion? Coefficient of x power minus 5, x power minus 4, sixth term of this expansion. T r plus 1, 8c5, 2 power 8 minus 5, 3, 3 power 5, x power 16 minus 4r. Here 16 minus 4, 4 5 are 20, minus 4. Now x power minus 4 coefficient is 8c5, 2 power 3, 3 power 5. What's the formula? R equal to np minus m by p plus q. Here n is 8, 8 2s are 16, minus m is minus of minus plus 4, p plus q, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2. Now 20 by 4. Now r equal to 5. So sixth term of this expansion, t 5 plus 1. 8c5, 2x square whole power 8 minus 5, 3. 3 by x square whole power 5. 8c5, 2 power 3 into x power 6, 3 power 5 into x power minus 10. 8c5, 2 power 3 into 3 power 5, x power minus 4. The coefficient of x power minus 4 is 8c5, 2 power 3, 3 power 5. Find the coefficient of x power 8 in the expansion of 2 plus 3x plus 4x cube whole power 20. 2 plus 3x plus 4x cube whole power 20. This term bx, this one is y. So x plus y whole power 20. Now expansion of this one, 20c0, 2 plus 3x whole power 20 plus 20c1, 2 plus 3x whole power 19, 4x cube plus 20c2, 2 plus 3x whole power 18, 4x cube whole square plus 20c3, 2 plus 3x whole power 17, 4x cube whole power 3, and so on. Required power coefficient of x power 8. Coefficient of x power 8. So x power 8 required. So r equal to 8. R equal to 8. Now r equal to 8. This term is power 8 means this term is sum of total value is 20 required. So power of this one is 8. Power of this one is 12. Power of this one is 12. Next, here x cube there, power of x is 3. From this part we required x power 5 only. So this term is 5. Power of this value is sum of these two powers 19. So this term is 14. X power 3 whole power 2. This one is x power 6. Required only x power 8. Coefficient of x power 8. మనకి టైం చూస్తే x power 6 వచ్చిందండి. అంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన ఓన్లీ 2 required. This power is 2. This power is sum of these two equal to 18. This power is 2. This power is 16. Yes. Next, 4x power 3 whole cube. 3 3s are 9. Here x power 9. Minimum power. Here minimum power is 9. Here required coefficient of x power 8 only. So this one, in this case, power of x power, minimum power is x power 9. Minimum power x power 9 వస్తుందంటే మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి కదా, x power 8 అనేది impossible. So all the terms not possible. Now coefficient of x power 8, 20c0. Now again 20c r equal to 8, 20c into 20c 8, 2 power 20 minus 8, 12 into 3x whole power 8. So x power 8. This is the coefficient of x power 8 plus 20c1 into, here r equal to 5, x power 5, x power 5 into x power 3, x power 8. Now 19c5. So 19c5, 2 power 19 minus 5, 14. Now 3x whole power 5 into 4x cube. Next, plus this one possible, this one possible, this one possible, this one not possible. 20c to 18c r equal to 3x whole square. So x, we will get x square into x power 6, x power 8. Now into 18c, second time, to 18c to 2 power 16 into 3x whole power 2 into 4x cube whole square. So finally coefficient of x power 8. Coefficient of x power 8 is 20c0 into 20c8, 2 power 12 into 3 power 8 plus 20c1 into 19c5, 2 power 14 into, the coefficient of x power 8, x power 5, x power 4, sorry, x power 5, x power 3, that is x power 8. Now 3 power 5 into 4 plus 20c2 into 18c2 into 2 power 16. Here x square, x power 6, x square into x power 6, x power 8. Now 3 power 2 and 4 power 2. This is the answer. This is the coefficient of x power 8 and the expansion of 2 plus 3x plus 4x power 3 over power 20. I hope you are understanding. Next one. Find the coefficient of x power 4 and the expansion of 2 minus x plus 3x square whole power 6. This time by x, this time is y. First one, 6c1 2 minus x, sorry, 6c0, 2 power 2 minus x whole power 6 plus 6c1 2 minus x whole power 5, 3x square whole power 1 plus 6c2 2 minus x whole power 4, 3x square whole power 2, 6c3 2 minus x whole power 3, 3x square whole power 3. The coefficient of x power 4 required, and so on. Here r equals, in this case r equals 6. We get x power 6. So r equal to 6. In this case r equals, here x square there, required 2. X square, here r equals to, second time is the better one. Here x power 4, in this case r equals 0, r equals 0. Now this one is 3x square whole power 3 minus 2x. Here minimum power is x power, yeah, minimum power is x power 6. Now they required only x power 8, coefficient of x power 8. No use. 3r is. First one, 6 is 0, this one is r equals into 6 is 1 2 power 4, sorry, 6 r equal to 6, sorry, 6 is 6 2 power 0 minus x whole power 6 plus 6c1 into this one is the r equal to 5c to 2 power 3 minus x whole power 2 into 3x square, right? Plus in this case 6c2 into r equals 0, so 4c0 2 power 4 into 3x square whole power 2 power. Now 6 is 0 is 1 into 6 is also 1, this one is x power 6 plus 6c1 is 6, 5c2 is 10, 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial 10. Now 2 cube is 8, x power 2 into 3 into x power 4 plus 6c2, 6 factorial by 4 factorial, 6 into 5 by 2, 2, 3 is 15, 4c0 is 1, 2 power 4, 16, 3 square 9 into x power 4. Bring outside x power 4, x power 6. We required x power 6, sorry, here r equals 4, x power 6 అనుకున్నానండి, sorry, x power 4, so 64 now 2 power 2 into minus x whole power 4. This value is 1, 64 equal to 62, 62 value is 15. So 15 into 2 square 4, this one x power 4. X power 6 కావాలంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 4. So r equal to 4. Okay, 15 4 is 60 plus 60 into 24, it is 24. 0, 24, 4 to 14, 40 plus 15, 16 9s 144 into 15, 15 4s 0, 7, 7, 8, 15 4s 60, 0, 6, 66, 6, 15 plus 6, 21, 2160 into x power 4. Adding all 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 plus 4 plus 6, 16, 1, 2, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 3660. So which one is the right option? Third one is the right option. Now we have put x power 6 consider చేశారండి, ఇక్కడ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 4, sorry, here r equal to 4. r equal to 4 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం అనుకోండి, 64 2 power 2 minus x whole power 4 వస్తుంది, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 4 వస్తుంది, సారీ, రైట్. Next problem, find the coefficient of x power 50 in 1 plus x whole power 101 into 1 minus x plus x square whole power 100. Now it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The formula is a cube minus b cube. So a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab, a cube minus b cube formula. Now 1 plus x times of 1 plus x whole power 100 into 1 minus x plus x square whole power 100. Now 1 plus x into, now powers are 100 and 100. A power m into b power m, ab power m. 1 plus x into 1 minus x plus x square whole power 100. Now it is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, a cube minus b cube formula. 1 plus x into a cube 1 cube minus b cube x cube whole power 100. A cube minus b cube. Now 1 minus x cube whole power 100 plus x into 1 minus x cube whole power 100. Coefficient of x power 50 in this expansion. Now coefficient of x power 50 in this expansion 1 minus x cube the whole power 100 plus coefficient of x power 50 in the expansion x into 1 minus x cube whole power 100. Now coefficient of x power 50 or x power 49 in the expansion 1 minus x cube whole power 100. X into this only. So x power 49 coefficient మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి ఇంటూ x చేస్తే x power 50 వస్తుంది కదా. సో x power 49 కోఎఫిషియంట్ కావాలి. r వాల్యూ ఎంత సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే x power 49 వస్తుంది. Here 49 is not a multiple of 3. Suppose x power 48 అయితే మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 48 r equal to 16. r equal to 16 మనం r equal to 16 మనం చేస్తే x power 48 వస్తుంది కదండి. 100 c 16 so minus x cube whole power 16. Now 100 c 16 x power 3 16 is 48. Coefficient of 48 x power 48 వచ్చింది కదండి. సో 48 multiple of 3 కాబట్టి మనం coefficient of x power 48 మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. But required x power 49. Coefficient of x power 49 of in this expansion 1 minus x cube whole power 100. Here 49 is not a multiple of 3. So 0. Coefficient of x power 49 is 0 in this figure. Here coefficient of x power 50 1 minus x cube whole power 100. 50 is not a multiple of 3. So this one is 0. So 0 plus 0 0. Coefficient of x power 50 in 1 plus x whole power 100 into 1 minus x plus x square whole power 100 is 0. I hope you are understanding. ఇక్కడ x power 50 కోఎఫిషియంట్ కావాలి. సో r ఈక్వల్ ఏ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినా x power 50 రాదండి. ఎందుకంటే x power 3 whole power how much is x power 50 is not possible because 50 is not a multiple of 3. So 0. X power 50 in the coefficient of x into 1 minus x power 3 whole power 100. So x into 1 minus x power 3 whole power 100 కి కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 50 చెప్పాలి. ఆల్రెడీ x into రాసుకున్నాం అంటే ఈ నెంబర్ కి ఈ ఎక్స్పెన్షన్ కి x power 49 కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి ఇంటూ x చేస్తే x power 50 వస్తుంది కదా. సో 1 minus x power 3 whole power 100 కి x power 49 కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సో x power 49 కోఎఫిషియంట్ కావాలంటే మనకి x power 3 whole power ఉండాలి. x power 3 whole power ఏ వాల్యూ ఇస్తే 49 వస్తుంది? It is not impossible. It's not impossible because 49 is not a multiple of 3. అదే 48 ఉందంటే ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. r equal to 16 x power 3 whole power 16 3 16 is 48. So 49 is not a multiple of 3. So coefficient of x power 49 in this expansion is 0. So 0 plus 0 0 is the answer. Next one. Find the coefficient of x power 20 in x square plus 2 plus 1 by x whole power minus 5 1 plus x square whole power 40. Now 1 plus x square whole power 40 into it is a perfect square. X square plus 2 plus 1 by x square is a perfect square. Now x plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square. A square b square 2ab 2 into x into 1 by x is 2. So whole power minus 5. 1 plus x square whole power 40 equals taking LCM x square plus 1 or 1 plus x square power minus 10. A by b whole power minus 3 equals b by a whole power 3. Now 1 plus x square whole power 40 into a by b whole power minus 10 equal to b by a whole power 10. Now x by 1 plus x square whole power 10. So here with 1 plus x square whole power 40, 1 plus x square whole power 10. So 1 plus x square whole power 30 into x power 10. It is the final one. We need to calculate coefficient of x power 20 in the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power 30 into x power 10. Coefficient of x power 20 already x power 10 ఉంది కదండి. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం కావాలి, x power 10 కావాలి. x power 10 into x power 10 x power 20. x power 10 రావాలంటే r equal to 5 అండి. x square whole power 5 is x power 10. So this one is which term? Sixth term of this expansion. Sixth term మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకి కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 20 వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో r equal to 5 30 c 5 1 power any value is 1 x square whole power 5 into x power 10. Now 30c5 x power 10 into x power 10 x power 20. So coefficient of x power 20 is 30c5. That is the answer. Find the coefficient of x power 5 in the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power 5 into 1 plus x whole power 4. Coefficient of x power 5. Here r equal to 1. In this case r equal to 1 means x power 2 whole power 1. Here x power 2, we get x power 2 into required x power 5. So here 3. Here r equal to 3. So x power 3, x power 2, x power 5. R equal to 1 means this one is second term. R equal to 3, this one is third term. Or another case. This one case 1, case 2, second possibility. Second possibility, in this case r equal to 1. R equal to 1 means this one is the second term of this expansion. R equal to 1, you get x. Here coefficient of x power 5. Here r equal to 2. R equal to means this one is the third term. R equal to x power 2 whole power to x power 4. X power 4 into x power 5. Only two cases. So result of this one. Your second term. So 5c1 x power 2 into this one is the third term. R equal 3 means fourth term. It is not third term, fourth term. So 5c3 x power 3, x power 2 into x power 3, x power 5. 5c1 into 5c3 into x cube. It is a coefficient of, x power 5. It is a coefficient of x power 5. Second possibility. First here third term means r equal to. Now 5c2 x square whole power 2. We get x power 4. Here second term r equal to 1. So 4c is not, it is here 4c3. This one 4c3. Now 4c1 x power 1 equal to x power 4 into x power 5. So 5c2 into 4c1. This result is 5c1 is a 5, 4c3 is a 4 plus this one is 5 into 4, coefficient of x power 5. In this case 5c2 is a 10, 4c1 is a 4. This result 20, this result is 40, sum of these two 60. So third one is the right option. I hope you are understanding. మనకి కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 5 కావాలంటే x power 5 కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ టైం తీసుకుంటాం. సెకండ్ టైం అంటే r equal to 1 x square వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఫోర్త్ టైం తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి r equal to 3, r equal to 3 అంటే x power 3, x power 3 x square, x power 3 x square, x power 5 కోఎఫిషియంట్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ టైం తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి r equal to తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి x/2 x power సెకండ్ r equal to అంటే థర్డ్ టైం వస్తుంది. r equal to అంటే x square whole power 2 x power 4 వస్తుంది మనకి. సో r equal to 1 అంటే సెకండ్ టైం, 4c1 అంటే సెకండ్ టైం వస్తుంది. x power 1 అంటే x వస్తుంది, x power 4 అంటే x power 1, x power 5 వస్తుంది. కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 5 2 కేసులో వస్తుంది. యాడ్ చేస్తే 60 వచ్చింది. ఆన్సర్ ఇది 60. మనం r ఈక్వల్ 3 అని చేస్తాం అనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ r ఈక్వల్ 3 వస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? కేస్ 3 r ఈక్వల్ 3 అంటే ఫోర్త్ టైం వస్తుంది. r ఈక్వల్ 3 x పవర్ 2 హోల్ పవర్ 2 3 x పవర్ 2 హోల్ పవర్ 3 x పవర్ 6 వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకి. మినిమం కోఎఫిషియంట్ x పవర్ 6 ఇయర్ మనకి ఏం కావాలి? x పవర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x పవర్ 5 కావాలి మనకి. ఇక్కడ వచ్చే పాసిబిలిటీ మినిమం కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x పవర్ 6 వస్తుంది మనకి. x పవర్ 5 అది కావాలి. సో రిమూవ్ దిస్ వన్. ఓన్లీ 2 కేసెస్. Okay, next problem. Find the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power 11. 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power 11. 1 plus x, bring outside x square. X square is the common in both the terms. X square times of 1 plus x whole power 11. Now bring outside 1 plus x plus 1 plus x common in both the terms. 1 plus x bring outside 1 plus x square whole power 11. 1 plus x whole power 11, 1 plus x square whole power 11. Question is the coefficient of x power 4. R equal to 0. Here x power 0. R equal to 2. X square whole power to x power 4. We get coefficient of x. Next R equal to 1. R equal to 1 means we get x. This side required x cube. Here 3 is not a multiple of 2. Next, r equal to 2. We get x square. Here x square, r equal to 1. R equal to 1 x square. Here also x square. X square into x square, x power 4. Next, r equal to 3. We get x power 3. Here required only x. Minimum coefficient of x square, this one possible. Minimum coefficient of x square. So, x power 4 not possible. Next, r equal to 4. R equal to 4. We get x power 4. In this case required 0. R equal to 0. X square whole power 0. 0. X power 4 we get. Next r equal to 5. It is not possible. Here coefficient of x power 4 required. It is the minimum value of x is minimum value of coefficient of x is 5. It is not possible. Only 3 cases. 0 means it is the first term. Here 2 means this one is third term. Here 2 is the third term. R equal to 1 means this is the second term. R equal to 4, this is the fifth term. R equal to 0, it is the first term. First case 1, R equal to 0. 11c 0 x power 0 plus R equal to which is the third term of this expansion. Now 11c to x square whole power 2 power plus second case r equal to which is third term of this expansion. 11c to x square, sorry, it is into. Now r equal to 1, second term of this expansion. Now 11c 1 x square, x power 4 coefficient of this one. The coefficient of this one x power 4. Next r equal to 4, fifth term of this expansion. 11c 4 x power 4. Here first term of this expansion r equal to 0. 11c 0 x square whole power 0 is x square whole power 0. This one is 1. Here coefficient of x power 4. Coefficient of x power 4 is 11c 0 1, 11c 2, 11 into 10 by 2, 2 5 is the 55. Now 11c 2 55, 11c 1 is 11 into x square into x square, x power 4. 11c 4, 11 factorial by 7 factorial, 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 by 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 is a 4 ones are 4, 2 is a 2 cancelled. 33 into 10, 330. 330 into x power 4. Finally, coefficient of x power 4 in this expansion is, now add them, 55, 11 into 55, 605, 330. 58 sorry 099 990 990 is the fourth one is the right option.